What I like most about mommy is she's very sweet. Na gumagawa, na sobrang pinapakita niya sa akin ng mahal niya ako. Oo, kasi bumisita siya sa Nung nasa Los Baños ako, naalala ko, sinurprise nila ako ni Papa. Inano nila ako ng cake.
Nung birthday mo.
Nung birthday ko.
Sulat na siya ng letters ngayon.
Oo, sinusulatan niya kami ng letters.
Sobrang 2 thumbs up. Kasi doon namin na-realize na na-appreciate pala kami ng mami.
At saka gusto ko na binigyan niya ako nito.
What I like most about mommy is yung pagiging faithful niya kay God, una sa lahat, tsaka sa pamilya niya kami. Lagi niya kami inuuna, kaya nagagalit siya sa amin. Hindi namin inuuna yung family. So, that's what I really like about mom. Tsaka yung isa pa is yung patience niya, lalo na sa akin. Siyempre, may mga times na bigla lang ako, boom! Nagbe-burst. Kung ano-ano, nagiging cardal ako, ganyan. Tapos parang si mami, patient siya sa akin. Na parang, pina-forgive niya na ako.
Take 2. What I like most about mommy is the fact that she prays for us every day. Na matyaga siyang ina. She works really hard for us. Despite her busy schedule, she still manages to cook sometimes. No, may effort siya.
Loving.
Naalala ko nung homeschool ako. Ay, shucks. Nakabukas yung pinto. Naalala ko nung school ako ni mami. Sobrang tiyaga namin nun. Sobrang tiyaga niya.
Kasi iniyakan ka pa.
Kasi iniyakan niya kami kasi sobrang kulit namin. Ayaw namin makinig. Tapos naglalaro lang kami sa harapan niya.
Ako rin, homeschooling din. Nung nasa Pakistan. Parang iniiyakan ko yung multiplication. Multiplication. Kasi mga 6 na digits yung minumultiply mo. Tapos parang sobrang hirap nun para sa akin.
Big deal.
Ayan yung favorite memory ko with mom is syempre nung nasa Pakistan kami. Tapos, yung mga times, syempre na naman yung mami nasa torment and homesickness tayong dalawa. Tayo na lang dalawa yung nagyayakapan doon. At yun yung favorite kong memory para sa akin.
O, anong ginawa niya din? Ako naaalala ko, tinuruan niya ako ng multiplication table, tapos gumawa siya ng buong kanta. Para lang maalala ko. Actually,
seryoso?
sikreto ko yun, pero kinakanta ko pa rin siya.
Sige nga, sample.
Hindi ko memorize yun. Ano yun?
One time sa Nikos ba?
Hindi. 1 times 1, 2. Alam mo na!
Close. Okay, go!
Eto na. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9 is 27. Ginawa niya yun!
Congrats. Isa pang favorite memory ko kay mami nung bata ko is nung dati. Kasi ako lang only girl, di ba? Tapos kayong lahat, matatanda na kayo. Ganyan. Tapos wala akong kalaro sa bahay. Ni kapitbahay namin, hindi ko makalaro. Tapos si mami, nilalaro niya ako ng mga, ano may Barbie, ganyan.
Mm.
Tapos naalala ko yung isa kong Barbie doll. Na parang 2,000 pesos siya nun. Tapos, wait lang, sobrang mahal nun. Tapos nung time na yun, wala pa tayong kakayahan nun. So, hindi tayo...
Binili ka niya ng 200 pesos.
2,000.
Tapos hirap na hirap siyang bilhan ako ng Gundam. This is an outrage. This is an outrage.
So,
GG.
appreciate kayo na parang kahit na mahirap ang buhay, mag-sacrifice pa rin si Mami para sa akin.
Ah! Favorite memory ko nung pinanganak ako. Lumalabas ako kung gano'n. Sabi ko, Mami! Ma! Hi, Mami!
Wow!
Sure is very bright in here. Mm-mm. What is that smell?
Hey, Mom! Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day.
So, we dedicate this song, How Sweet It Is to Be Loved by You, by James Taylor. Kasi alam namin, favorite mo si James Taylor. So, eto.
Needed the shelter of someone's arms. There you were. Needed someone who understand my ups and downs. There you were. With sweet love and devotion, deeply touching my emotions. I wanna stop and thank you, baby. I just wanna stop. Thank you, baby. Yes, I do. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I close my eyes at night, wondering where would I be without you in my life. Everything I did was just a bore. Everywhere I went, seems I've been there before. But you brighten up for me all of my days. With love so sweet in so many ways. I wanna stop and thank you, baby. I just wanna stop and thank you, baby. Yes, I do. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Better to me than I was to myself. For me there's you and there ain't nobody else. I wanna stop and thank you, baby. I just wanna stop and thank you, baby. Yes, I do. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Oh yeah, how sweet it is to be loved by you. I journey to believe, baby. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Fade. How sweet it is to be loved by you.
May
1,
faith
2,
talaga.
3. Happy Mother's Day!